Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you how to send voice messages on Discord PC. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you want to send voice messages through Discord PC, well, there is a way for you to do this. The first thing that you want to do is you want to fully close Discord here, because we'll be installing a mod into Discord. So, in this case, you want to go and just press Ctrl-Shift-Escape on your keyboard and just fully close Discord. Now, we are accessing Task Manager here so that we could fully close Discord, because you won't be able to fully close Discord if you just click on the X at the top, right? Let's go and just arrange this by name, right click on it, click on End Task. Now, just to confirm, go to the bottom right of your screen. Just make sure that Discord is not running in the background. Once you've confirmed that, you can go and close this window as well. So you want to open up any browser, just type in Vencord. Go ahead and just access their website, vencord.dev. And from here, click on Download Vencord. And go and click on the Download Vencord Installer.exe. Now, since we are using Windows, you need to choose Windows. If you're using other options like Linux, Mac, go ahead and just choose the appropriate one for you. Just go and click on Download. Now, wait for a few seconds, and once the installer is downloaded or your exe is downloaded, you go and just click on it and basically run this into your PC. Now, it's going to ask you to install this. You have Vencord installer. Now, you can go ahead and click on the install button. And again, you may need to wait for a few seconds. It's going to say successfully patched. Let's go and click on OK. And you want to go and close this window. Now, once you've closed this, you want to go ahead and reopen Discord. Now, inside Discord, you want to go and access a few things here. So in this case, you want to go to the bottom left of your screen. You want to go and click on the user settings here. And you want to go to Vencord. And from here, what you need to do is you want to go and enable what we call voice chat or voice recording or voice messages. Depends or something similar to that. But in this case, instead of going to Vencord settings here, you want to go to plugins. Again, scroll down a bit. Again, look for voice recording, voice, or something similar to that. So let's just look for this one real quickly. So we have voice messages here at the very bottom. So you want to go and just enable this one. And once you have this enabled, you want to go and close this window. Go to the server. Let's go and click on Start Now, so that we could get the latest changes that we did. And you want to go to the server. Let's go to our server here. You want to go ahead and just go to the text channel here. Click on the plus at the bottom left here and text in your messages. And you should be able to see the send voice message option. Now from here, you can go and click on start recording. You can upload a file. Once you've actually started recording here, you'll be able to stop and click on the send button here. You can even hear the replay, change the speed, or even like change the volume for it. But that's about it. So for this video, avoid the like and share button and watch our next video.